The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to feature 5 camera sensors, combining Sony IMX and Samsung ISOCELL technologies. It will have a quad-camera setup on the back and a front camera inside its Infinity O display. Recently, leaked details have revealed the phone's final camera specifications. The S25 Ultra will include 2 Sony IMX sensors for the telephoto and periscope cameras and 3 Samsung ISOCELL sensors for the main, ultrawide, and selfie cameras. These camera details were uncovered through code analysis by Android researcher Assemble Debug. While individual specs have been leaked earlier, this confirms the full setup in one place. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra camera specs leaked. Primary camera, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 200 megapixel with 2x optical lens zoom. Ultra-wide camera, Samsung ISOCELL Gen 3 50 megapixel. Telephoto camera, Sony IMX 754 to 10 megapixel with 3x optical zoom. Periscope camera, Sony IMX 854 to 50 megapixel with 5x optical zoom. Selfie camera, Samsung ISOCELL 3LU, 12 megapixel. Compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the primary telephoto, periscope, and selfie cameras remain the same. The only upgrade is the ultra-wide camera, which jumps from 12 megapixel to 50 megapixel. Some believe Samsung should also improve the 10 megapixel 3x zoom camera. Snapdragon 8 Elite enhancements. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This chip comes with an upgraded ISP image signal processor, tightly integrated with the Hexagon NPU, offering better performance in photography and videography. Users can expect faster image capture and processing, delivering real-world improvements despite limited camera upgrades. It's finally here. With the Samsung Galaxy S25 series just around the corner, most leaks have confirmed what to expect. Now, a full spec sheet for the Galaxy S25 Ultra has leaked, and it looks like previous reports were spot on. The well-known leaker Yogesh has shared the complete specs, and here's what the Galaxy S25 Ultra will bring when it launches early next year. Galaxy S25 Ultra specifications. Display. A 6.8-inch QHD LTPO AMOLED screen with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Processor. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the best Qualcomm has to offer. Memory. Up to 16 gigs of RAM. Storage. Options up to 1 TB. Cameras. Quad camera setup 200 megapixel main, 50 megapixel ultra-wide, upgraded, 50 megapixel telephoto, and 10 megapixel periscope. The front camera is 12 megapixels. Battery. A 5,000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging. Software. Runs Android 15 with Samsung's new One UI 7. Impressive. But what's new? The specs are undoubtedly powerful, but they don't bring many changes compared to the S24 Ultra. Both phones share the same display, battery size, charging speed, and even similar cameras, aside from the improved 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor on the S25 Ultra. One UI 7 will also be available for the S24 Ultra, so software isn't exclusive either. The main differences are the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, 16 gigs of RAM, and a shift back to rounded edges for those who found the sharp corners on the S24 Ultra uncomfortable. The extra RAM is likely to support the revamped Galaxy I, which introduces a smarter LLM-powered Bixby assistant aiming to compete with Apple's AI-powered features on the iPhone 16. Should you upgrade? If you already own the S24 Ultra, the upgrades might not feel worth it unless you really want the new processor, extra RAM, or rounded design. For those with older devices, the S25 Ultra is still a solid choice, but it's not a huge leap forward. Price concerns? In short, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a powerhouse, but for many, the differences might feel too small to justify upgrading. What if your next phone not only charged faster but came with a design upgrade that screams bold and futuristic? Let's dive into the latest leaks that are turning heads before Samsung even says a word. D brand steals the spotlight with Galaxy S25 Ultra accessories. Pre-orders for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra accessories are live courtesy of D brand, and they're not holding back. With bold design tweaks showcased through their exclusive cases, D brand is setting the stage even before Samsung has officially announced the Galaxy S25 Ultra's launch details. From the new Ghost, Grip, and Prism cases to an impressive range of custom skins, D brand is teasing some exciting possibilities. The Grip and Prism cases aren't limited to the Ultra. Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus owners can get in on the action too. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's case design is particularly intriguing, featuring cutouts for larger camera rings and a dedicated slot for the LED flashlight. To enhance usability, the side frame includes slightly raised keys for a more natural button feel when using the volume rockers and power keys. But here's where things get even better. The brand's cases enable MagSafe charging functionality thanks to a special design integration. Subtle tweaks like slightly rounded corners give the Galaxy S25 Ultra a fresh edge compared to its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. For the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, the Ghost and Prism cases are accompanied by a lineup of sleek back panel skins. Interestingly, early leaks hint at thicker camera rings on the Galaxy S25 resembling the iconic design of the Z Fold 6, while the overall form factor aligns closely with this year's Galaxy S24 series. Is Q2 wireless charging coming to the Galaxy S25? Samsung might be bringing a game-changer to the Galaxy S25 series with potential support for the Q2 wireless charging standard, but there's a twist. Q2 introduces the Magnetic Power Profile MPP, a feature designed to align phones perfectly with chargers for faster and more efficient power delivery. The Galaxy S25 is rumored to support 15-watt wireless charging via Q2. However, it's unclear if the device will include magnetic alignment functionality out of the box. Instead, Samsung could offer an optional magnet case to bring this feature to life. If true, this strategic move could boost Samsung's adoption of Q2. With magnetic alignment, charging becomes not only faster, but also more reliable, something users of the Galaxy S25 lineup might soon experience firsthand. Official details are here, and Samsung's next big thing is about to hit. Samsung is entering a critical phase as it prepares for the unveiling of the Galaxy S25 series. A new report suggests that the release date for the Galaxy S25 series has been set for February 7, 2025, following its official launch on January 22, 2025. According to FFN News, Samsung has confirmed that the Galaxy S25 series will be released on February 7, 2025. The devices will be revealed at the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22 in the United States. The report also mentions that pre-orders for the Galaxy S25 series will run from January 24 to February 3, with early access for pre-order customers beginning on February 4. Samsung is expected to officially launch the Galaxy S25 lineup in South Korea on February 7. This marks a slight delay in availability compared to the Galaxy S24 series, which had an earlier release. Here's what we can expect. The Galaxy S25 series will be unveiled at the Galaxy Unpacked event in San Jose, USA on January 22, 2025. Pre-orders will be open from January 24 to February 3. Customers who pre-order will get early access starting February 4. The full release of the Galaxy S25 series in Korea is scheduled for February 7, 2025. With the Galaxy S25 series, Samsung aims to strengthen its position in the premium smartphone market. The new devices will feature enhanced AI capabilities, refined designs, and upgraded specifications. Price hike in Korea? Due to the ongoing political instability in Korea, the $1 exchange rate has risen above 1,451, which could lead to a price increase for the S25 series in Samsung's home country. Additionally, the cancellation of the Exynos 2500 chipset is expected to impact Samsung's profits, as all models will likely be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is manufactured using TSMC's expensive 3nm process node. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.